Welcome to the Easy English Listening Podcast.
Hello, everyone. I am Melody.
And I am Avery. We are happy you are here.
Today, our topic is fitness.
Yes, and healthy eating. It is January, a new year.
Many people want to be healthy in the new year.
But it can be difficult. Where to start?
We will talk about easy ways to start. Very simple ideas.
Yes, simple is good for beginners. Let's start.
First, let's talk about moving your body. Exercise.
Exercise is important.
A very easy way to start is walking.
Walking. I like walking. It is simple.
Yes, you can walk outside, in a park, or on your street.
How long should you walk?
For a beginner, maybe 10 minutes is good, or 20 minutes.
That's a great start. Just a short walk every day.
Exactly. You do not need special clothes, just comfortable shoes.
Good point. What about exercise at home?
Yes, home workouts are great.
You don't need to go to a gym. You can exercise in your living room.
That's right. You can do simple things like stretching.
Or jumping jacks. Do you know jumping jacks, Melody?
I do. They're fun. You can find videos online. Search for beginner home workout.
Good idea. And start slow. 5 minutes is okay. 10 minutes is great.
Yes, don't do too much at first.
Okay, so walking and home workouts. What about the gym? The gym can feel scary.
It can. Many machines, many people.
So what is a good plan for the gym for a beginner?
Start with easy machines. The treadmill is for walking or running.
Yes, the treadmill is simple, or the bicycle machine.
Those are perfect. Go for 20 minutes. That is a good start.
And it is okay to ask for help.
Of course. Ask an employee, "Can you show me this machine?" They will help you.
Now let's talk about food. Healthy eating.
Right. Exercise is one part, food is the other part.
What are some simple, healthy meal ideas?
Think simple. Chicken and vegetables is a good meal.
Yes, like chicken with broccoli and carrots.
Exactly. Or fish with a salad. Very healthy.
What about for people who don't eat meat?
Good question. Rice and beans are very good. Add a big salad.
That sounds delicious. What about breakfast, the first meal of the day?
For breakfast, eggs are a great choice. Or oatmeal.
Oatmeal with some fruit.
Perfect. And one more thing. It's very important. Drink water. A lot of water.
Ah, yes. Water is so important for your body. Drink water all day.
Okay, let's talk about snacks. Sometimes I am hungry between meals.
Me too. It's good to have healthy snacks. So, not chips?
Not chips. Try fruit instead. An apple is a great snack. Or a banana.
I like apples. What else?
A handful of nuts is good. Or some yogurt.
Those are much better than candy or cookies.
Right. They give you good energy.
I have heard of meal prep. What is that?
Meal prep is a great idea. It means you prepare your meals early.
So you cook for the week?
Yes. For example, on Sunday, you can cook a big pot of rice and you can cook some chicken or chop some vegetables.
I see. So during the week, your food is ready.
Exactly. It makes eating healthy much easier when you are busy.
That is a very smart tip.
We talked about exercise and food, but there is one more thing, rest. Rest is very important.
Yes, I agree. Let's talk about sleep.
Sleep is when your body recovers. It gets strong again.
How much sleep do we need?
About 7 or 8 hours every night is good for most adults.
Okay, 7 or 8 hours, and it is good to have a dark, quiet room.
That's right. It helps you sleep better.
So, sleep is important. What about resting from exercise?
Also very important. This is called a rest day.
A rest day? A day with no exercise?
Correct. Your muscles need time to heal. That is how they get stronger.
So it is not good to exercise hard every single day.
No, it is not. Take 1 or 2 rest days every week. On a rest day, you can still go for a light walk, but no hard exercise. Let your body rest.
This was great information, Melody. Very simple and easy to understand.
I hope so. The goal is to make it easy for everyone to start.
So let's review the main ideas. First, move your body.
Yes, start with walking or simple home workouts.
Second, eat healthy food.
Simple meals are best. Chicken and vegetables, fruits for snacks, and drink a lot of water.
And third, remember to rest. Get enough sleep and take rest days from exercise.
Remember, everyone, start small. A 10-minute walk is a victory. Eating 1 healthy meal is a victory.
Melody, you mentioned starting small, which is great advice. But what about staying motivated? Some days it's hard to get started.
That's a great way to think about it. Small steps.
You can do it. Be patient with yourself.
Thank you for listening to the Easy English Listening Podcast.
Let's talk about making it a habit. How can we make sure we continue with these healthy choices?
We hope this was helpful. Goodbye, everyone. That's a great question, Avery. To build a habit, it's good to be consistent. Try to exercise at the same time every day. For example, a walk every morning after breakfast.
See you next time.